Hey guys, it's me ShaCarey and welcome to Restyle Recap episode number 2, where I just share what I restyled, wore, and did today. So it's Friday and you already know, like I said in Restyle Recap episode number 1, that I wanted to get weekend ready. And by that I mean get my life together so when the weekend comes I can literally just get up and go. I don't want to have to be looking for outfits. I don't want to have to be trying to figure out what I want to do. So my plan for today is to just fully be productive with the time that I have. My main concerns when it comes to the weekend is making sure that I have something to wear. Because if you're anything like me, sometimes I go in that closet trying to find an outfit and then I'm just like, ooh, I ain't got nothing to wear, and then I'm gonna feel prompted to want to go to the store, and then we all know I don't need to go to the store because I got plenty of things I can already wear. So I want to sit down and try to organize at least an outfit for Saturday and Sunday. So like my fun outfit, and then my outfit that I'm going to wear to church, and for the festivities that I'm going to wear after church. Which I'll probably just wear the same thing on Sunday because I don't want to have to be doing all that changing. But I also don't want to be looking for the outfit either. So I already laid out a few things that I'm thinking about working with. So I wrote down in my planner a few of the handy dandy items that I know that I had in my wardrobe that I kind of wanted to work with. Y'all, this planner has been a lifesaver already. It's been helping me keep my life together. But so I was just thinking in my wardrobe, like, what do I want to wear? And I know I had this like cream colored top with the floral sleeves. I feel like I've worn it in a few videos, but I haven't talked about it yet specifically. But I know I want to wear that at least for Saturday because I checked the weather. The weather's supposed to be crazy. It's supposed to be crazy cold. So I already know that I'm gonna have to dress on the warmer side for the rest of December. So I'm thinking about that and pairing it with those gray tights that I always wear and my brown boots, the one that come up kind of to the knees. Because this dress, it can be worn as a shirt and a dress. So I'm gonna just play around with it and see how I wanna pair it. Then the next thing I wanted to try to wear is my maroon, I got this like long sleeve maroon top that you can also wear as a dress too. But I also wanna pair like this beige dress on top, and I just wanna see how that look plays out. Because if I don't like lay it out and try it on, then I'm not gonna know how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna be very upset because there's nothing worse than like getting up trying to put on the outfit that you got in your head, and you put it on and you look in the mirror and it's not a look. So I'm just gonna lay them out and kind of play around with it and see how I like it, because if I nail this right the first time, then it means I'm good to go on my weekend outfits. Okay, so this is the first top dress that I was kind of talking about. I think I wore this in one of my like other videos, but I can't remember which one it was. But I thrifted this a while ago, maybe like last month. It was like $7.99, and at first I wouldn't pay $7.99 for like one item, but I just felt like because it was so unique, I wasn't gonna let it like sit there. So this is like one of my favorite items, but I feel like I haven't been able to style it as much as I would like to. So I'm trying to pull things out of my wardrobe that I know I need to give a chance. Second item, like I said, the maroon top with the beige dress and some boots. So I'm gonna try these two items on and pretty much see how they turn out. And if they are a winner, then I'm already set for my weekend outfits, and that'll be one less thing that I have to do when it comes to getting ready this weekend. Okay, so here is my first outfit of the weekend. I think that this one may be a hit. I just really like it. At first I was thinking, oh, this dress might be too short to wear by itself, but actually I think it's perfectly fine, especially once I put on my trench coat. You will barely even notice it, and with this weather I'm not gonna be having my coat off that much anyway. So I decided to just pair this cream colored top with the floral sleeves with the gray tights and the brown boots, and it just turned out so cute. I just really like this top because it's super versatile. I think it's one of those things that you can wear in spring and summer with some jeans and some sandals or some capris. It's really cute, but right now I just decided to style it up for the winter. And this is how it turned out. Now, do you remember how I said that you better try on the whole outfit to see if it's going to work? I literally meant try on the entire thing, like with the jacket and the handbag as well, because you don't even want to look for something as simple as a basic accessory, and that's me. I don't even want to have to do that. So I would definitely say that the first weekend outfit is a go, and I think that this is going to be the outfit that I'm going to wear on Saturday. Okay, so this outfit, I just want to keep it fun. I think you can see my necklace under here, but it's fine. I just want to keep it fun and pretty dark tone colors. So I just decided to pair this with my maroon top and my beige dress that I thrifted. And then I decided to pair it with a pair of black tights and my cheetah print boots that I thrifted as well. I love these boots. I try to wear them with every single thing that I have in my closet when it's cooler. And I think that this is a really cute Sunday outfit. However, I might need to switch Sunday and Saturday outfit because these heels are a little high. So I want to put on some flats probably because I don't want my feet to be hurting, or I'm gonna have to thug it out. So I'll make a decision by the end of this video which one I may wear for Saturday or Sunday. I do like both pics of the outfit, and I really like this one surprisingly the best, even though it's like darker colored clothes, but it is that season. I haven't decided what handbag I'm gonna wear with this yet, but I do know that I am going to wear my leather jacket because I am trying to get more uses out of my leather jacket. I haven't been wearing it as much as I would like to. So I'm making it my mission to put this on, especially since it is starting to get a little cooler outside. So I think I'm pretty satisfied with the way this outfit turned out, and this one may just be a winner. The next thing is I just have my entire wardrobe that I'm gonna wear this weekend on one hanger. So that's my jacket, my tights, my dress, and then my top is underneath. And then right here I also just have the boots so that I won't have to even be looking for those. And then I also have my other pair of boots with my other dress, my trench coat, my handbag, and my tights. So that way I am good to go for the weekend. Honestly, that had to be probably one of the hardest parts of my morning because I had to really go through my wardrobe and see what it is that I wanted to wear. And I also wanted to restyle some pieces that I feel like I just haven't been restyling, mainly because you know how you have your favorite thing that you just want to wear over and over and over and over and over again? That's me. I'm that person. I wear things over and over and over again. But I also don't like to restyle things that's like probably like not even my least favorite, because if I bought it, I liked it. But it's just, you know, you got those one feel good outfits that you just absolutely love. So I'm just trying to dig back to the back. Oh, what have I not worn this month? What have I not worn in the last week? So that was my goal for this weekend's wardrobe. And I think I did a pretty good job. Each weekend I think I'm going to go through my closet and pick out a few things that I know I've been like neglecting or not wanting to restyle, especially trying to take advantage of it during this cooler season, seeing as it don't even really last that long anyway. Trying to wear more of my boots because, as you know, my like brown boots are my favorite, so I wear those with pretty much everything. So then I forget to wear my cheetah boots, I forget to wear my black boots. So I'm trying to like really go through my wardrobe and maximize it the most that I can, even more so as this season passed by and I like donate things or keep things. You just never know. So I need to get the most wear out of it that I possibly can. But I feel like getting weekend ready still ain't done yet. I still have one more thing I need to do. With the new year coming around, I just really want to clean out some spaces, just figure out what I need, what I don't need. And my number one prized possession outside of my wardrobe, another obsession that I have, is coffee cups. I don't even know why I have so many of them. I've been gifted many over the years. I've gotten stuff for my birthdays, graduations, holidays. You know, I just have an abundance. But I just want to go into 2020 with less coffee cups. There's not a need to have that many. So I'm about to go through and see which ones I absolutely love, which ones I haven't been using, and which ones I can just truly get rid of. Okay, here is just a little look at most of the coffee cups that I have. This is just ridiculous. I just really need to get some focus in my life for the new year. I do not need any of these cups, most of these cups, but we shall see which ones make the cut and which ones don't make the cut. This may be harder than I thought, but first I just gotta make some coffee. I got my coffee in my Santa cup, so you know if I'm drinking out of this one I'm not giving this one away because it's too cute to give away. And y'all, now I'm rethinking about having to declutter my coffee cabinet, because now I'm just looking at these like every last one of these do hold a special place in my heart. And I'm not sure if I want to get rid of any of them. However, I do think that it don't matter if you get rid of one. Even if you get rid of one, that's still a better accomplishment than getting rid of none of them. So I'm about to get started on this and see how this gonna go down. Let me just take a sip of my coffee first. I love all these cups, but I'm not even really equally drinking out of all these cups either. But I feel like as soon as I give one away, donate it, that's gonna be like, oh, I should have kept that cup. So let me just see where I'm gonna start. My Halloween cup, and in the inside it say, if you got it haunted. Now you know what, this is a holiday cup, and holiday cups be hard to come by every single year. So I don't know if I'm giving this one away. I might not even be feeling it next year, who knows? But at least I'm not gonna have to look for a pumpkin cup. So this one, he stay. See, I'm already not doing right. Up next is, oh, this box cup. I've had this box cup for quite a while. It's been with me a long time. And actually I haven't taken a sip out of it in probably months. So I think it's safe to say that this one can go into the donation bin. Moved him to the side, out of sight, out of mind. I'm just not gonna look at it. Oh, my cat cup, it say you're perfect, like perfect. I can't let this one go either. This one cute. I got this one so long ago. You just can't even find one that look like this no more. It's just, it was like during this time when I had an obsession with cats and kittens. So no, I'm gonna keep this one. Oh, my Betty Boop cup. Okay, so I don't even drink out of this one. This one probably more sentimental than anything because I got this on vacation. So I'm not throwing away anything that's sentimental because this one I'll be like, you know what? I got that cup when I was on vacation in Universal Studios. So this one, and he can hold a whole lot of coffee. So I don't even have to like refill him. So I might just push him to the front so that he can get more love when I'm making coffee in the morning. And this cup, I think I had got this cup from like some dollar store or something. But I don't even drink coffee out of this cup. I mainly drink tea out of this cup because if you try to drink tea out of like those really deep cups, it tastes like water. Then you have to add more tea bags to it and it's like a waste of time. So this is mainly for my tea drinking days, which I do have. I normally drink tea like more towards the evening, like more to wind down. So I'm definitely gonna keep this one because I don't have very many tea cups. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I think I'm gonna donate this one too. I think I've outgrown this one. I had it for a long time. It's definitely, you know, done good for me in the fall, but I definitely can bless somebody else with this one. I'm feeling it in my spirit that this one can transition into somebody else's home. So this one gonna go to the donation bin. I think I'm doing pretty good, y'all. A funny story about this cup. I actually wanted this cup to say S for my name, ShaCarey, but I also go by Carey too, like for my select family and friends, they call me that. So normally if I can't find something with an S, I'll still get a C. But I also use this one for tea and apple spice cider as well. So it's not really a good coffee cup because you can't put a lot of coffee in here. Just if you drink like a whole lot like I do, this you're gonna have to fill this up 2 or 3 times. So I normally keep this as a tea cup, and this is also a very unique cup, and it's hard to find this style as well. So it's just like, no, I'm definitely gonna keep this one. You know how I feel about holiday cups. I don't think you should get rid of holiday cups because they just really hard to come by. But I do think I could just slide this one on to the next phase in life. Either I might give it to one of my siblings or I might just donate it. I'll see which ones they like first. But normally it's just me and my mom that drink the most coffee. So they won't really have a need for this cup. So more than likely it's gonna go into the donation bin. So say bye to the little owl cup. This is also when I had an obsession with owls too. So this can go. Okay, so my next cup, I got this. My mama got this for me as a Valentine's Day gift, and it says, "Dear Coffee, I love you. That is all." So I'm not getting rid of this cup. I'm not getting rid of nothing my mama gave me. I'm keeping all the ones she gave me. I'm not putting them in the donation bin. And this is one of them. This one was a gift, so I'm definitely keeping that one. And I do drink my coffee out of it, especially on Sundays for some reason. So that one's a keeper. And this one was a gift. This was a his and her set, but I mainly drink my tea in this because I don't warm up my tea as much as I warm up my coffee. Normally when I make tea, I just kind of drink that all down in one setting, because this is definitely one of those cups that you can't microwave, which I normally don't go for cups that you can't microwave with the gold print. That's annoying to me. It's useless almost, because then I like my coffee and tea to be super hot. So I just normally drink my tea out of this, and I really like this cup. It's super cute and I just like it. Oh, this one is going to be a keeper because it was a gift. Oh, now you know what? I'm picking this one up and it's not going nowhere. I love this one. This is like a holiday cup, but it's also like a tree ornament. Get it? Like a tree ornament. So it's so cute, and you can only drink out of this during the Christmas time. So this one is more towards the front right now because it's the holiday season. So this one is not going anywhere. I love this one. I'm not getting rid of this one. No, all holiday cups are just about staying. Then I got this cup. My snuggles are fierce. I'm keeping this one. I love it. I love the font. I love the little heart. I like that one, so I don't even have to think hard about that one. This is another holiday cup, my snowman cup. I don't even remember where I got this from, but you don't see these very often either. So I'm going to keep this one. And so far I got like 2 Christmas cups and 1 Halloween cup that I am saving. Oh, and I'm drinking out my Santa cup. So I think I'm doing pretty good on holiday mugs. I've gotten rid of 3 mugs already, so that's going pretty well in my little decluttering section. And this is also when I had a little obsession with owls, but I'm keeping this one because it's a classy cup and I like it. And I like the orange. Even though I don't collect many owl mugs anymore, I still just want to keep this one to remember. Little elephant mug. Now, you know what? I'm thinking hard about this one. And it say always, oh, see, always remember you are loved. That's what it say on the inside. So this one, I might have to keep this one. Y'all, I'm not doing right. This one was also a gift. It came in a his and her gift set. So I'm keeping this one. This is also a perfect tea mug. This is like one of those things like you need to have some tea mugs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 good teacups. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Okay, so I'm down to actually 4 more cups. Lazy Sunday. Definitely a teacup, definitely keeping it, not getting rid of it. This one I thrifted, which I tried to keep as a little teacup, but I don't even think it was just way too rich. So this one is really cute, but this one's definitely gonna go in the go away bin. This is my favorite Christmas mug ever in the whole wide world that I've ever bought in my entire life, and I done bought a whole lot of Christmas mugs. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Last but not least, y'all, okay. I got mixed emotions about this one. I bought this cup, and I'm telling you, I bought this cup a long time ago, and you asked me how many times I've actually drank out of it. Not once, not one time. I have yet to drink out of this coffee mug. So I don't know if like, you know what, I'm lying. I drank out of it once, but then I couldn't warm my coffee up because it's like got all of this gold trimming on it, being all cute. So I don't know, it's just kind of useless to me. So this one may be going in the bin too of ones that I, you know, don't need. This is just a little look at the coffee mugs that did not make the cut. I think I did a pretty good job at picking out a few. I'm actually shocked that I even decided to get rid of 5 of them because this was hard, but these are the weakest. I'm feeling successful. I was able to fit just about all of my coffee mugs into one section of the cabinet, so I'm definitely winning in life right now. So I got all my coffee cups that I know I want to get rid of in the bag. This makes it official that it's going to be over. But they'll be for somebody else that'll love them just as much as I did. Okay, all in all, I think I did pretty good at organizing my weekend and getting weekend ready. I'm feeling so accomplished. It's just 2 simple things that I wanted to do that just needed to get done. And I'm just feeling really good about the new year. I got that coffee cabinet cleaned out and cleared out and stacked up perfectly. Now I don't have to stumble over that. And I also got my wardrobe ready for the weekend. Like, I'm just feeling good. And some other things I did was clean out my closet. I actually cleaned out the whole thing, stacked up my shoes. I didn't really have any clothes to give away because I'm really wearing everything that I have currently because I had already did a wardrobe clear out before we transitioned from fall to winter. So I'm feeling pretty good on that. But other than that, I think I did a pretty good job. I think I was very productive today and I did everything that I set out to do. So I think I'm just gonna sit down and plan on what I'm gonna do next weekend so that I can have my life together, because I personally cannot believe it is only, how many weeks left in December? 3 more weeks left in December. That is crazy. Like, a decade gone, it's about to be 2020. And see, this is why I just want to be prepared and I want to be ready. I just want to breeze on into the new year and have my life together. But I'm feeling accomplished and I'm feeling productive, and I feel like I definitely got a lot done. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.